Ships in about an hour. Just getting it ready now. Hey folks, Joe here again. This is going to be a super short video today. I got a two-piece Greenland paddle here. Move it around a bit so you can get a look at her. This is made out of 17 strips of wood, and it is our XL version with the larger diameter ferrule / loom. And just making this video up right now. I'm about to box up this paddle, get it shipped out later this afternoon. It's going out to a fellow by the name of Chris in Windsor, Ontario. And when Chris ordered this paddle from me just recently, he was kind enough and generous enough to throw in a little tip for a couple of beer, he said. And he requested maybe I take a photo of it, just a thumbs up, and send that to him as well. Already taken the photo. Thought I'd go one step further and take a little short video, just as a shout out to Chris and say thanks for the order. I do appreciate it, Chris. Your paddle is on the way. Thanks, man.